Okay, fine. On 32 has joined. Okay, fine. Out of 360. The screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, the problem previously we have given that 1 plus xy into x dy plus 1 minus yx into x, sorry, to y, right, into y dx, to y dx equal to 0. So this you can solve by method 2, right? Y into xy terms, x into xy terms will be there, right? Y into f of xy plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0. You can solve by method 2 also. Okay, we'll solve this method also. We'll see by using of inspection how we'll solve. Okay. So this will be written as x dy plus x square y dy plus y dx minus y square x dx equal to 0. It is nothing but x dy plus y dx plus so this is x square y dy minus y square x dx equal to 0. Okay. See here, second and sorry, I'll keep it this same x dy plus y dx. And here I would like to take common xy. This is x dy minus y dx. Right? X dy minus y dx equal to 0. Okay. So using of x dy minus y dx, which kind of formulas are there? X dy minus y dx formulas చూడండి ఒకసారి చూడండి. X dy minus y dx, d of y by x is there. d of y by x is there. అవునా? అలాగే d of x dy కదా. So log of y by x is there. అవునా? So if you want to apply this will be x dy minus y dx by x square will be there. So denominator has to be x square. Okay. But if you want to apply this, what happened? X dy minus y dx by xy will be there, right? xy. Avuna? xy. Okay. So that's why we'll divide with xy or x square y square. That will be easy to us because of when we divide with x square, here y will be remains. That will be difficulty to solve. Okay. So that's why dividing with x square y square. So this is x dy plus y dx by x square y plus xy into x dy minus y dx by x square y square equal to 0. This will be written as d of xy. This will be written as d of xy. This is xy whole square. Yes. This is x dy minus y dx by xy equal to 0. Okay. So this is d of xy by xy whole square plus this is d of log of y by x. Okay. Now taking integration. Now taking integration. Integral d of xy by xy whole square plus integral d of log of y by x equal to
क्लास लेगा अब
okay. This is this is what d of xy by xy whole square is what vanilla by. Could you please mute your mic? Vanilla by. So d of this is in the form of d of x by x square, or d of u by u square. When we treating xy as u, d of u by means du by u square. Du by u square integral is minus 1 by u. Okay, minus 1 by u. Integral of 1 by x square dx nothing but minus 1 by x. The same manner, in the same manner. This will be minus 1 by xy, minus 1 by x. The integral derivative will get cancelled. This is log of y by x equal to c. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. Type in వాళ్ళు solve చేయండి. X dx plus y dy plus x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square equal to 0. I think this is very simple. I think this is very simple. ఎలా రాయొచ్చండి? Yes, please. Anyone? Anyone?
d of tan inverse of pi by x.
Which one? This
Second
part.
term x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square.
What about this part?
By 2, sir.
Ma?
D of x square plus y square by 2, sir. By integration both sides. Any doubts? Any doubts, please? So, అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళండి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళండి సో రైట్ డౌన్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం y dx minus x dy equal to 3x square e power x cube y square dx. ఎలా చేయొచ్చు? ఎనీవన్ గివ్ మీ ఐడియా?
Sir, y square ఇటు సైడ్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు సార్.
ఎస్ వెరీ గుడ్.
y dx minus x dy by y square equal to 3x square e power x cube. Okay, this will be written as d of x by y, right? D of x by y. Okay, you keep it same 3x square e power x cube by integration both sides. Integral d of x by y equal to integral 3x square e power x cube. Okay, dx, sorry, dx. So this will be x by y and this will be x cube ni f anukunnamante 3x square is f dash. Integral f dash into e power f dx is e power f, right? Avuna kada? You know it, right? So this will be e power x cube. E power x cube plus c. Okay. Na? So write down next problem. X dy equal to y plus x into cos square y by x whole dx. Whole dx. So దీన్ని చూడండి ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను. So x dy, this is y dx, taken this side, y dx equal to x into cos square y by x into dx. Okay. So whenever x dy minus y dx will be there, x dy minus y dx will be there. Okay. So we should dividing with x square, dividing with x square. Okay. Use. So x dy minus y dx by x square equal to 1 by x, x square by, sorry, x by x square is 1 by x, cos square y by x dx. Cos square y by x dx. Okay. So the name right to d of x by y by x, right? D of y by x equal to 1 by x cos square y by x. Okay. So ఇక్కడ y by x ఉంది కాబట్టి cos square y by x కూడా ఈ పక్క తీసుకొస్తాం. Cos square 1 by cos square y by x d of y by x equal to 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. 1 by cos square is secant square y by x d of y by x equal to 1 by x dx. Okay. Now by integration నేను పైకి రాస్తానమ్మా, మీరు కిందకి రాసు. By integration on both sides. So integral secant square y by x d of y by x equal to integral 1 by x dx. Integral secant square formula ఏంటండి? Anyone?
Tan x y by x.
Very good. Integral secant square is tan y by x equal to 1 by x dx is log x. Log mod x actually. You can write log x also. Okay, no problem. Write log x. Okay. That's it. Any doubts, please? Any doubts? We'll go for next problem. Solve y into 2x square y plus e power x dx minus e power x plus y cube into dy equal to 0. Okay. First we will write what they given. So this will what 2x square y square dx e power x y into e power x dx minus e power x into dy minus y cube dy equal to 0. Now can you get any idea? Can you get any idea? సో ఇక్కడ ఈ టర్మ్ చూస్తే మనకు d ఆఫ్ e పవర్ x బై y లాగా ఉంది అవునా d ఆఫ్ e పవర్ x బై y నథింగ్ బట్ y ఇంటూ e పవర్ x dx మైనస్ e పవర్ x ఇంటూ dy బై y స్క్వేర్ కావాలి అవునా బై y స్క్వేర్ దట్స్ వై ఐ డివైడింగ్ విత్ y స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ dividing with y square. Okay. So what happened? This is 2x square dx plus this is y into e power x dx minus e power x into dy by y square minus y cube by y square is y dy equal to 0. Yeah, this is x into dx means dx into only x terms, dy into only y terms. No worry. No worry. So write down, okay, 2x square dx. So this is d of e power x by y minus y dy. Now by integration both sides. By integration both sides. So this will be 2 times x square dx d of e power x by y minus y dy. So this is 2 into x cube by 3 plus e power x by y minus y square by 2 equal to 0. Yes? Any doubts, please, you can ask. Any doubts, please? Yes. Okay. We'll write one more problem. I hope you are getting how I can solve xy square dx minus x plus x square y dy. So here also would like to expand first y dx minus xy square dx minus x dy minus x square y dy equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay. So this will be y dx minus x dy of the rastam. This is minus of x y square dx minus of x square y dy. So ఈ రెండు టర్మ్ లో నుంచి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏదో కన్క్లూజన్ కొద్దాం xy ని కామన్ చేస్తే y dx plus x dy. Y dx plus x dy. Okay. So ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాయొచ్చండి ఎనీవన్ Anyone? Can you give the idea? Dividing with xy. Dividing with xy and y dx by xy is dx by x minus x dy by xy is dy by y minus y dx plus x dy equal to 0. By integration both sides. This is ln mod x minus ln mod y minus xy. equal to C, right? జనరల్గా అయితే ఇక్కడ y dx minus x dy by y square తీసుకొస్తామని ట్రై చేస్తే ఇక్కడ x మిగులుతుంది, అవునా? ఇక్కడ x మిగులుతుంది. That will be difficulty to us. That will be difficulty to us. That's why I keep dividing with xy. Okay. Any doubts, please? So likewise, we need to solve some of the problems using of this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So so this is about method 5. Now we go for method 6. Method 6. So method 5 is somewhat important అండి. సో ఏ మెథడ్ లేకపోతే మెథడ్ 5 లో ఉంటుందని అర్థం. మెథడ్ 1, మెథడ్ 2, మెథడ్ 3, మెథడ్ 4 లేకపోతే మెథడ్ 5 లో ఉంటుందని అర్థం. ఓకే. మెథడ్ 5 somewhat important. The objective also for the purpose of objective also. Okay. సో ఇన్ మెథడ్ 6 ఏంటంటే సో ఇలా కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు ఏ మెథడ్ రాకపోతే ఇలా కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్స్ ఎ జనరల్ మెథడ్. వి కాల్ ఇట్ as జనరల్ మెథడ్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే సపోజ్ m dx plus n dy is any given differential equation and which is not exact. Is not exact. Okay. Here we are assuming that x power h into y power k as integrating factor. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే we are assuming that okay x power h into y power k as integrating factor. So once you know the integrating factor, you should multiply with equation 1, right? Now multiply with equation 1 with integrating factor, then m into x power h into y power k, okay, to dx plus n into x power h into y power k into dy equal to 0. This is my equation 2. So here m1 is, this is in the form of m1, m into x power h into y power k, and n1 is n into x power h into y power k. Okay, and we are assuming that this is an integrating factor. Once this is an integrating factor, when we multiply with the given equation, the resulting equation 2, that always be exact. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే అది ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అని చెప్తామో అది కంపల్సరీగా మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు నాన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా మారుతుందండి. ఓకే, సో ద ఈక్వేషన్ 2 డెఫినెట్లీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ means that this is exact means that dou m1 by dou y is same as dou n1 by dou x. Dou m1 by dou y is same as dou n1 by dou x. Okay, so by solving these two equations, we will get h and k. We will get h and k. Okay, also we get solution of equation 2. avana kada, also we get solution of equation 2. avana kada. Once you know the exact, then you can easily write the solution, right? You can easily write the solution, right? Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so ante meeku inka ఏ మెథడ్ లేదు, ఏ మెథడ్ రాదు, ఓకేనా, లేదా ఎగ్జామ్ లో మనకు రావట్లేదు అంటే ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, బట్ ఇది ఎప్పుడు పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందంటే మీకు ఉన్న ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ప్యూర్లీ xy లో ఉన్నప్పుడే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. m అండ్ n అనేటివి ఓన్లీ xy టర్మ్స్, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ xy టర్మ్స్. ఓకే, అలా కాకుండా m అండ్ n లో tan ఇన్వర్స్, లాగ్, సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్లు, ఈ పవర్లు అలా ఉంటే మేబీ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, అప్పుడు అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కాకపోవచ్చు. లేదా m అండ్ n or h and k unable to get, h and k we are unable to get, అలా కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, we should get definitely h and k, we should define h and k. Okay, so that's about method 6. Okay, yeah, I will solve this using this method. Some problems, write down the problem. solve y square plus 2x square y dx plus 2x cube minus xy dy equal to 0. Verify that this is exact or not. Verify cheyandi. Is it exact or not?
Not exact, sir.
Very good. So here, which is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is y square plus 2x square y, n is 2x cube minus x. Okay, dou m by dou y, 2y plus 2x square. Dou n by dou x, 6x square minus y. So definitely dou m by dou y, not same as dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not exact. Not exact. Okay. So let if equal to x power h into y power k. X power h into y power k. Okay. So now equation 1 with if. 1 with if. 1 into if. So what? X power h into y power k, y square plus 2x square y dx plus 2x cube minus xy into x power h into y power k equal to 0. So this is x power h y power k plus 2 x power h plus 2 y power k plus 1 times of dx. This is 2x power h plus 3 y power k minus x power h plus 1 y power k plus. కరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నామా చూడండి, ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్ వస్తే చెప్పండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ హెచ్ స్కేల్ కూడా రావు మనకు. సో m is x power h y power k plus 2 plus m1 okay, x power h plus 2 y power k plus 1. n1 is 2x power h plus 3 y power k minus x power h plus 1 y power k. Now dou m1 by dou y, x power h into k plus 2 into y power k plus 1, right? Plus 2 into x power h plus 2 k plus 1 into y power k. Okay, this is dou m1 by dou y. Dou n1 by dou x, 2 into h plus 3 into x power h plus 2 to y power k minus h plus 1 into y x power h y power k plus. Okay. Now if equation 2, I call this as equation. If equation 2 is exact, then dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x, right? So by equating both, now equating both, x power h k plus 2 y power k plus 1 plus 2 times x power h plus 2 k plus 1 y power k equal to 2 into h plus 3 x power h plus 2 y power k minus of h plus 1 x power h y power k. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ గా చూడండి, దిస్ ఇస్ x పవర్ h ఇంటూ y పవర్ k, హియర్ ఆల్సో x పవర్ h ఇంటూ y పవర్ k. ఇక్కడ x పవర్ h ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ y పవర్ k, ఇక్కడ x పవర్ h ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ y పవర్ k. So means that the terms powers will be same. Terms powers will be same. Then only we will compare. So మీరు కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తేనే లేదా ఇలా ఈక్వేట్ అయితేనే వీఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫైండ్. సో చెప్పాను కదా ఇందాక, లాగ్ కానీ ఈ పవర్ ట్యాన్ అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇలా ఈక్వేటింగ్ గా రావు, ఇలా సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ రావు. బోత్ డో m1 బై డో y అండ్ డో n1 బై డో x, బోత్ x అండ్ y లో ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది. మేబీ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్, ఓకే మేబీ, ఓకే. సో అందుకని ఈ ఒక్క మెథడ్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా సార్, ఆయన ఎందుకు మాకు అన్ని చెప్పారని ఫీల్ అవ్వకండి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆల్ ద కేసెస్. సో ఈక్వేటింగ్ సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ ని ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఈ టర్మ్ ని ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తే k ప్లస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వన్, k ప్లస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఆఫ్ h ప్లస్ 1, and this one 2 times of k plus 1 equal to 2 times of k plus 1 equal to 2 times of h plus 3. So this is h plus k equal to minus 1 ఇక్కడ ఉంది, h ని తీసుకొచ్చాను, ప్లస్ 2 ఇవతలకి వెళ్తే -2, టోటల్ -3. సో ఇక్కడ h ప్లస్ k, సో ఈ k ని ఇవతలకి తీసుకొస్తాను, 3 ని ఇవతలకి తీసుకెళ్తాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, h మైనస్ k ఈక్వల్ టు -2. Okay, solving this both, I call 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. H plus k equal to -3. H minus k equal to -2. 2h equal to -5. H equal to -5. So you can replace as the -5 by 2 minus k equal to -2, minus k equal to -2 plus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2, k equal to -1 by 2. Therefore, IF is what? IF x power h minus 5 by 2, y power k minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. So this is what IF. This is what IF. Doubts, please. Now equation 2 becomes, write down in equation 2. Equation 2 Radhamali. Now equation 2 becomes h scale replace చేయాలమ్మా, h scale replace చేయాలి. x power h y power k plus 2 అంట. x power h y power k plus 2. x power h అంటే -5 by 2, y power k plus 2, right? k plus 2 అంటే k అంటే -1 by 2 plus 2, 3 by 2, y power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power h plus 2, y power k plus 1. 2 into x power h plus 2, h plus 2 అంటే -5 by 2 plus 2. X power -1 by 2, y power plus 1 by 2 dx plus 2 into x power h plus 3, y power k. 2 into x power h plus 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 3 plus x power 1 by 2 y power k, y power -1 by 2. Okay. Extremity minus x power h plus 1 y power k plus 1 minus x power h plus 1 h plus 1 అంటే
minus 5 by 2 కదా, minus 5 by 2 plus 2 in x power minus 3 by 2 y power 1 by 2 dy equal to 0, and which is exact, right? And which is exact, you can verify. ఎందుకంటే మనం IF తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్. ఓకే, నౌ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్ integral m dx plus integral terms free from x in n1 into dy equal to c. So m dx is minus y by 5 by 2 y power 3 by 2 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 y power 1 by 2 times dx. There is no x terms here in y in n1. So this will be written as y power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 y power 1 by 2. Using of x power n, using of integral x power n definition. Yes, please. So we simplify it. We simplify it, okay? That's the required solution. That's the required solution. So అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. 2y dx plus 3x dy plus 2xy 3y dx plus 4x dy equal to 0. Three y dx plus 4x dy equal to 0. రాసుకున్నారా?
సార్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో 3y dx సార్ అది.
అవునండి, అవును. 3y dx plus 4x dy. So verify this is exact or not. First m dx plus n dy formula రాయండి. m dx plus n dy ఫార్ములా రాస్తే ఇక్కడ dx, ఇక్కడ dx అండి. 2y plus 3 2s are 6 6xy square times dx plus 3x plus 2 4s are 8 8x square y dy. So m 2y plus 6xy square n 3x plus 8x square. So definitely dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. అవునా? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది. Definitely not. You can verify. You can verify. So therefore, I call this as equation 1. Equation 1 is not exact. Is not exact. Okay. And let integrating factor IF equal to x power h into y power k. Let IF equal to x power h into y power k. Now multiply equation 1 with IF. 1 into IF gives 2y. Okay, first write down 2y plus 6xy square into x power h into y power k dx. 3x plus 8x square y x power h into y power k. This will be 2 into x power h y power k plus 1 plus 6 x power h plus 1 y power k plus 2 times of dx plus 3 into x power h plus 1 y power k 8 into x power h plus 2 y power k plus 1 dy equal to 0. I call this as equation 2. I call this as equation 2. Deoda. Okay. Which is in the form of m1 dx plus m1 dy. m1 is 2 x power h y power k plus 1, 6 x power h plus 1 y power k plus 2. n1 is, what is n1? 3 into x power h plus 1 y power k, 8 x power h plus 2 y power k plus 2. Dou m1 by dou y, dou m1 by dou y. 2 into x power h into k plus 1 into y power k plus 6 x power h plus 1 y k plus 2 to y power k plus 1. Okay, na? Dou n1 by dou x, dou n1 by dou x, 3 into h plus 1 x power h y power k plus 8 into h plus 2 x power h plus 1 y power k plus 1. Since equation 2 is exact, then dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Okay, na? Okay, na? Then comparing equal terms, we have 2 into x power h into y power k. So 2 into k plus 1 equal to 3 into h plus 1. 2 into k plus 1 equal to 3 into h plus 1. Correct, no? Yeah. 6 into k plus 2 equal to 8 into h plus 2. 6 into k plus 2 equal to 8 into h plus 2. Correct, Rasmana? So this is 3h minus 2k equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay. So this is 8h minus 6k, 12 minus 16 is minus. Okay, fine. So we'll solve this both minus 2, minus 6, minus 1, minus 4, 3, 8, minus 2, h, k, h by 8 minus 6, k by minus 8 plus 12, 1 by 18 plus 16. దీన్ని కూడా అయుతలు తెచ్చుకోవాలేమో. This is minus 18, right? Minus 18. Yeah. Correct, na? తెలుసా మెథడ్ ఇది మీకు?
No, sir.
లేదా?
2 వచ్చి మనకి -1 -2 ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ పెడితే -8 + 6 yeah +8 -2 yeah. సో ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి మనకు ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ దీని యువతలో రాద్దాం 3h - 2k + 1 = 0. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి 8h - 6k + 4 = 0. ఓకేనా. సో స్టార్ట్ విత్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ -2 - 6 -2 - 6 1 4 1 4 ఓకేనా 3 8 again write -2 - 6. So this is for h, this is for k, this is for take constant 1. Take AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD minus BC. Okay. AD minus BC తీసుకోవాలి. Okay. So -2 into 4 -8 minus of -6 plus 6. Likewise K also. Okay. So now equating h to constant, h is 1. This one to constant, k is 2. H is 1, k is 2. Generally solve challenge, it takes time. Here is somewhat easy. Okay. This is called coefficient method, solving of linear equations. Okay. మీకు 9th class లో నేర్పించుంటారు. Okay, anyway. So once you get h and k, therefore integrating factor is x power h into y power k, x power 1, y power 2. And equation 2 becomes equation 2 ఏమైంది? This is right. 2 into x y power 3, 2x y cube, 2x y cube plus 6x square y power 4. చూడండి. సో నేను రాసిన కరెక్ట్ కదా చూడండి. 3x square y square plus 8x cube y cube. Is it correct? Verified. Then the solution is integral m1 dx where y as a constant. The terms free from x n1 into dy equals 2x y cube plus 6x square y power 4 dx. Where y as a constant. Here there is no terms with x, without x. So this is 2x square by 2 y cube. This is 6x cube by 3 y power 4. So if you observe that, okay, మీరు ఒకసారి చూస్తే మనం డెరివేషన్స్ ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ ని అర్థమవుతుందా? ఒక్కొక్క 2 సార్లైనా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ, అవునా? 2-3 times అప్లై చేస్తాం ఒక్కొక్క ప్రాబ్లం రావడానికి. అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డెరివేషన్ నేర్చుకోకపోతే చూడండి, ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనం 2-3 times అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ చెక్ చేయడానికి డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కాదు చెక్ చేయడానికి డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తాం. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా, ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా. సో ఒక్కొక్క ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి డెరివేషన్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ చేయకుండా ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయము. ఓకేనా. సో ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. ఓకే, వితౌట్ లెర్నింగ్ దిస్. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే 2012 బ్యాచ్, R12 బ్యాచ్, R11 బ్యాచ్ కూడా మనం రాశారు మ్యాథ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్. R11 బ్యాచ్, R12 బ్యాచ్ కూడా మ్యాథ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాశారు. ఓకేనా.
వాళ్ళకి కరోనా అని ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. మామూలుగా అయితే మీకు 6 years తర్వాత ప్లస్ 2 years మాత్రమే రెమెడియల్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే క్లియర్ చేయడానికి. ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత కూడా క్లియర్ చేయకపోతే సో మీకు డిగ్రీ ఇవ్వరు, బీటెక్ డిగ్రీ ఇవ్వరు, ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ డిగ్రీ మాత్రమే ఇస్తారు. ఓకేనా? అందుకనే R11 బ్యాచ్ 12 బ్యాచ్ కూడా రాశారు, వాళ్ళకి కరోనా అని ఇచ్చారు. R12 కూడా ఇవ్వరు నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి. సో అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను మళ్ళీ. సో ప్లీజ్ learn integration derivations again and again. ఓకే, మీరు యూట్యూబ్ చూసినా అర్థం అవుతాయి, యూట్యూబ్లో చూసినా అర్థం అవుతాయి, లేదంటే వేరే సార్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయినా, ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయినా. ఓకేనా? సో జస్ట్ డోంట్ లీవ్ లైక్ దట్. ఈయన ఎందుకు చెప్తుంటాడులే పని బాట లేనుడు అని ఫీల్ అయితే మాత్రం నేనేం చేయలేను, ఇప్పుడే చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? I'm telling you again and again. Okay? Without you are feeling that not responsible, no one will save you. You should feel responsible. You should feel responsible only. Okay? Yeah. So now this is about exact, non-exact, and this is about exact, non-exact. Okay? So an equation is satisfies dou m1 dou m by dou y, dou m by dou y. Dou m1 by dou y. Okay. So exact ante enti? Exact. mdx plus ndy equal to 0 ఉండే ఫామ్ లో ఉండేటి సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మెథడ్ వాడతామండి. సో dou m by dou y ఈక్వల్ టు dou n by dou x అయితే దాన్ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అంటారు. దానికి సొల్యూషన్ అనేది mdx ప్లస్ టర్మ్స్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ x in n into dy equal to 0, where here y constant. Okay, that is the solution. Okay, if not satisfies this equation, that we called as non-exact differential equation antaru. Okay na, means dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, so we can convert this equation into exact. Okay, so there are 6 methods are there converting into exact. So in method 1, okay, so whenever m and n are homogeneous, okay, then mx plus ny not equal to 0, then 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. Method 2, okay, method 2. So y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0 formula unte 1 by mx minus ny is the integrating factor. Okay, when we multiply with this integrating factor, then it will be converting into exact. Okay, so using that we can solve. Okay. Okay, so and coming to method 3, we take 1 by n times dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to f of x. Okay, so it is purely in terms of x, or constant. Then integrating factor is e power integral f of x dx. Okay, and coming to method 4, 1 by m times dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Then the divide చేస్తాం, దాన్ని subtract చేయాలి, and this is purely in terms of y. Then integrating factor is e power g of y dy. Okay, now coming to method 5, using of inspection method, using of some formulas, we'll solve it. And in method 6, we are assuming that integrating factor as x power h and y power k, and finding h and k values. Using of that, we'll solve.
Using that, we'll solve that. 6 methods. There are 6 methods to solve exact and non-exact differential equations. Okay. So now, next one we have homogeneous forms. Equations of homogeneous or homogeneous first order differential equation. Homogeneous చెప్పలేదు కదా నేను. Homogeneous differential equations. Okay. Homogeneous differential equations. Actually ఇది ముందు చెప్పు ఉండాలమ్మా. Okay, anyway. ఎనీవే ఎక్కడ చెప్పుకున్నా ఒకటే. ఓకేనా, ఫైనల్ గా అన్ని మెథడ్స్ కలిపేస్తారు కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇంకా ఎగ్జామ్ లో మెథడ్ ఏం చెప్పరండి. సో యూ షుడ్ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ విచ్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్. ఓకే, విచ్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్. ఓకే, సో హోమోజీనియస్ మెథడ్ లో చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ is in the form of, or we should express is in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. Okay, f of x comma y. Okay, so this differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. This differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation if f of x comma y is homogeneous function of degree 0. ఉండాలండి. Okay, so if this differential equation dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. Okay, so is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Is said to be homogeneous differential equation if f of x comma y is homogeneous function of degree 0. Is homogeneous function of degree 0 అండి. ఓకే, మీకు homogeneous function అంటే తెలుసు కదా. f of x comma y is x square plus y square. Okay, so f of kx comma ky, when we replace kx comma ky, kx whole square plus ky whole square. So this is k square taken common, x square plus y square. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 2. This homogeneous function of degree 2. Homogeneous function of degree 2. Okay. Okay na? So homogeneous function of degree 2. Okay. But if you write dy by dx equal to x square plus y square, so this is not homogeneous differential equation. Not homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this is homogeneous differential equation కాదు. ఎందుకని? సో f of x comma y అనేది ఏం కావాలి? homogeneous function of degree 0 కావాలి. degree 0 ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇదేంటిది? degree 2. This is degree 2. Okay, so that's why when we take f of x comma y, x square plus y square by xy. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? kx comma ky, when we replace kx whole square, ky whole square by kx into ky. This is k square taken common, x square plus y square by k square taken common, xy. And this is x square y plus y square by xy. This is k power 0 into f of x comma y. Okay. Okay, so therefore this is when means that dy by dx equal to x square plus y square by xy is homogeneous function of degree, homogeneous differential equation. It's called as homogeneous differential equation. Okay, అర్థమవుతుందా? So dy by dx equal to simply x square plus y square తీసుకుంటే this is not homogeneous differential equation. ఇది homogeneous function కావచ్చు, బట్ differential equation కావాలంటే డిగ్రీ 0నే ఉండాలి. ఇలా కేలన్నీ ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోవాలి. homogeneous function అవ్వచ్చు, బట్ నాట్ homogeneous differential equation. Okay, Okay, so like dy by dx equal to x plus y by x. Dy by dx equal to 2xy by x square plus y square. Dy by dx equal to, okay, so x plus y whole cube by 3xy 3x square y. Okay, so ఇవన్నీ కూడా homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ కూడా homogeneous differential equations అంటారండి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ f of x comma y x square plus y square, ప్లీజ్ లిజన్ హియర్, xy తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, xy, ఓకేనా, xy తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. సో ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ ని కామన్ చేస్తాను, ఓకేనా. సో x స్క్వేర్ ని కామన్ చేస్తే 1 ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ బై x స్క్వేర్ బై xy, ఓకేనా. సో x గెట్స్ క్యాన్సల్. సో ఈ x ని కూడా యువతల తీసుకొస్తే 1 ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ బై x స్క్వేర్ బై y బై x. ఓకే, సో నథింగ్ బట్ 1 ప్లస్ y బై x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ by y by x. Okay, so means that this can be written as in the form of pi of y by x. This can be written as in the form of pi of y by x, or you can write ఇక్కడ x square కాకుండా y square కామన్ చేస్తాను, y square, ఓకే నా, y square కామన్ చేస్తే x square by y square plus 1 by x, ఓకే నా, y క్యాన్సిల్ పోతే సో ఇది కూడా x by y whole square plus 1 by x by y. So like psi of x by y, okay. So means that every homogeneous function, every homogeneous differential equation, not function, every homogeneous differential equation can be written as, every homogeneous differential equation can be written as, okay, in the form of pi of x y by x or xi of x by y. Pi of y by x or xi of x by y. Every homogeneous differential equation can be expressed as, okay. So అందుకనే చూడండి, okay, so dy by dx equal to f of x comma y can be expressed as, okay, so dy by dx equal to pi of y by x or psi of x by y, okay, y by x అనుకుందాం. Now to solve this homogeneous differential equation, by assuming, okay, by assuming y by x equal to vm, by assuming y by x equal to v, okay, means that y equal to vx. Okay, so homogeneous differential equation we can solve by assuming y equal to vx, okay. So when assuming y equal to vx, okay, so then dy by dx is, so using of uv rule and uv rule, v ని అలాగే ఉంచి డెరివేటివ్ x ని చేస్తే 1, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ x ని చేస్తే 1, సో x ని అలాగే ఉంచి v ని చేస్తే dv by dx. So means that dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, so homogeneous differential equation can be expressed as dy by dx equal to pi of y by x or psi of x by y. So assuming this y by x as v, then y equal to vx, and dy by dx equal to v plus v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, so by substituting these in equation 1, by substituting these values in 1, it will be converting into okay, variable separable method. Will be converting into variable separable method. Okay, so then we can easily solve in case of variable separable. Okay, so that's the way we can follows. Okay, by assuming y equal to vx or psi of x by y unte psi of x by y unte x by y equal to some u x equal to u1 ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఏదైనా ఒకటే, డోంట్ వరీ, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ లైక్ యూ కెన్ రైట్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్. ఓకే, right? So this is the procedure to solve. This is the procedure to solve exact differential equations. Exact differential equations. Okay, na? Right? Yeah. Can we take some examples?
Yes, sir.
Let's write an example. Solve x into dy by dx equal to y plus x into e power y by x. Solve x into dy by dx equal to y plus x into e power y by x. Okay. So first మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే dy by dx equal to ఫార్ములా రాయాలి. This is y by x plus e power y by x. Y by x plus e power y by x. Okay. So f of x comma y is y by x plus e power y by x. Now verify this is homogeneous differential equation or not. Ky by kx plus e power ky by kx. So this is k power 0 times y by x plus e power y by x. K power 0 times f of x comma y. So whenever f of kx comma ky becomes to be k power 0 into f of x comma y, then equation 1 is therefore equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Whenever f of kx comma ky as k power 0 times f of x comma y, then equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation. K power 0 ne రావాలమ్మా, ఇందాక చెప్పాను k power 0 ne degree 0 ne రావాలి. ఇక్కడ 1 2 రాకూడదు. That is also keep in mind. Okay, so once it is homogeneous, then we can solve by assuming y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to, let y dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx. So one implies one dy by dx plus or v plus s there. V plus x into dv by dx equal to y by x అంటే vm v plus e power. సో ఇక్కడ కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనం x into dv by dx equal to v gets cancelled, e power. So now you can separate v terms and x terms. So when we separated both v and x, so by variable separable method, integral dv by e power v equal to integral dx by v. So this is integral e power minus v dv equal to integral dx by v. This is e power minus v by minus 1 equal to ln mod x plus ln c. Minus e power minus v equal to ln xc. Okay. So v అంటే ఏంటి మళ్ళీ? v అంటే ఏంటి? What is v? y equal to vx నుంచి v is nothing but y by x. So replace the e power minus y by x equal to ln x. This is our required solution. This is our required solution. Any doubts, please? Now alage another example, when we take another example, x dy minus y dx equal to root of x square plus y square into dx. X square plus y square into dx. Okay. So first dy by dx form lo రాయాలమ్మా, అందుకనే x dy equal to దీని అవతల తీసుకెళ్తాను. So root of x square plus y square x dy కదా plus y into dx. So dy by dx మాత్రమే అవతల తీసుకొస్తాను. dy by dx x ని అవతల తీసుకెళ్తాను. Root of x square plus y square plus y by x. So ఇక్కడ f of x, y ఏంటి? f of x, y ఏంటి? Root of x square plus y square plus y by x. So f of kx, ky replace చేస్తే root of kx whole square plus ky whole square plus ky by kx. So root k square బయట రాస్తే k into root of x square plus y square plus ky by kx. k ని కామన్ చేస్తే root of x square plus y square plus y by kx. K gets cancelled. Okay. So this will be written as k power 0 into f of x, y. అవునా కదా? This will be written as root of x square plus y square plus y by x, nothing but f of x, y. So k power 0 into f of x, y. Therefore, equation 1 is homogeneous. Therefore, equation 1 is homogeneous. So therefore, equation 1 is homogeneous. Homogeneous ని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం? Using of y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx. Then equation 1 becomes, one ఏమవుతుంది? dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx equal to root of x square, y అంటే vx whole square plus y అంటే vx by x. ఇక్కడ x ని కామన్ చేస్తే root x square is x. 1 plus v square plus v x by x. ఇక్కడ కూడా x ని కామన్ చేస్తే root of 1 plus v square plus v by x. x cancel పోతే x cancel పోతే v plus x into dv by dx. Root of 1 plus v square plus v gets cancelled. X into dv by dx equal to root of 1 plus v square. Okay na? So ikkada v terms ni x terms ni separate cheste definitely it will be converting into variable separable lo. Don't worry. So you don't worry about that. ఇది కంపల్సరీగా వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ లో కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. అలా అవ్వకపోతే మీరు చేసిన రాంగ్ అని అర్థం. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? Now so by variable separable method, okay, by variable separable method, integral dv by root of 1 plus v square equal integral dx by x. Can you tell what is integral 1 by root of 1 plus v square? Anyone? Integral 1 by root of 1 plus or a square plus x square formula dx. ఎవరు చెప్తారా?
1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c.
అది రూట్ లేకపోతేనమ్మా, రూట్ ఉంటే
tan inverse
Sin H inverse of x by a plus c.
Yeah, very good. Sin H inverse of x by a, v by 1 here, okay? So this is ln x plus ln c. So దీన్ని ఎలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు ln of x plus root of a square plus x square అలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు, ఓకేనా? అవునా కదా? ఓకే ఫైన్. అలా కూడా రాయొచ్చమ్మా, ln of x plus root of x square plus a square అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే ఫైన్. సో what is v sin h inverse of v అంటే y by x ln x. దీన్ని ఇలా రాద్దాం, ఇలా రాస్తే మనకు బెటర్. ln of, ఎందుకంటే ln ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ, ln of v plus root of 1 plus v square equal to ln x. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చమ్మా, కావాలంటే r అని పెట్టు. ln of y by x plus root of 1 plus y by x whole square equal to ln x. So this is y by x plus root of x square plus y square by x equal to x. ln gets cancelled. Okay. Y plus root of x square plus y square equal to x squares. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. So whatever you like. Okay. So I know all problem change. Solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. So what is dy by dx, anyone?
X cube plus y cube by x square y.
No.
X square y by x cube plus y cube.
Yes. Very good. So f of x comma y is x square y by x cube plus y. So all the degrees same. This is 3. This is 3. So definitely this is homogeneous. The power degree same. To denominator. Okay. So this is kx whole square ky by kx whole cube plus ky whole cube. So this is k square x square y by k by కదా k అని ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను. K cube ni కామన్ చేస్తే x cube y plus y cube. Gets cancelled. This is k power 0 times f of x comma y. K power 0 times. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? Any doubts please? So therefore equation 1 is homogeneous. Therefore equation 1 is homogeneous. So solve చేయండి. y equal to vx. y equal to vx తీసుకొని solve చేయండి. y equal to vx తీసుకొని solve చేయండి. తీసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే so 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square vx x cube plus v cube x cube. V cube x. ఇక్కడ vx cube x కామన్ చేస్తే 1 plus v cube. v plus x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus x into dv by dx equal to v plus so this is 1 plus v cube is LCM 1 v minus v minus v power. x into dv by dx equal to minus v power 4 by 1 plus v. So separate cheste when we separate the terms 1 plus by power 4 equal to minus dv equal to dx by x. V terms అన్న దగ్గర x terms అన్న దగ్గర రాసుకున్నాము. LHS లోకి వెళ్తే 1 plus v cube by v power 4 1 plus v cube by Pujita, could you please mute our mic? K Pujita 1 plus v cube by v power 4 equal to dx by x. Okay. So by variable separable method, this will be written as 1 by v power 4 plus 1 by v power 4 plus 1 by v equal minus 1 by x dx. So this is 1 by v power 4 dv plus integral 1 by v dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. This is v power minus 3 by minus 3 ln mod v minus ln mod x plus ln mod c. Okay. So y means that y is y by x whole power minus 3 by minus 3. So this is ln y by x minus ln mod x plus ln c. దీని కూడా అతలు తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటే ఓకేనా minus 1 by 3 y by x whole power minus 3. So this is ln mod y by x. This is plus, right? This will be comes into this side plus. Ln a plus ln b is ln ab. Anyways, you can simplify it. You don't worry. చెప్పాను కదా many ways we can simplify. We will verify the integration is correct or not. Integration correct చేస్తున్నారో లేదా అనేది మాత్రం వెరిఫై చేస్తాం. Okay. So that's about homogeneous method. So same problem dy by dx equal to x cube plus y cube by x square y కి సాల్వ్ చేసి పెట్టండి. అంటే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఇలా ఉంటే సొల్యూషన్ ఏమవుతుంది అనేది సాల్వ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? differential equation is in the form of like this, then what is the solution? Yes, please. Adhamotna. So any doubts? Any doubts, please? You can